Billyjack on location, this time at St. Patrick's Cathedral on Waialae Avenue in Honolulu. Started at the back of this thing and I couldn't help but notice the different leveling of the grounds behind the church itself, especially this building that's back here, rather unusual looking. We have two buildings here side by side that have been connected together, like a lot of them have. And quite a difference in the slope from one side to the other, going up higher and higher till the pseudo foundation. Make no mistake about it, that's what that is right there. A fake foundation. Where the digging out becomes quite pronounced back here. Some really solid hinges on that door, being dug out about 9 feet right here, the roof being quite short compared to where I am now. Going around the back side. This building becomes quite evident as the other building. The ground is much higher in the back side of this building than it is toward the mountainside. But we do have a river gorge between us and the mountainside. So that would explain nothing coming all the way over to here. Highest elevation is directly behind me. Dirt here is very red also. Very, very red. I wonder if there was something else here at one time that is no longer here. A red brick structure or something. We make our way toward the front of the building. We can see how it's dug out back here. Very interesting. This is the add-on right here. Dating to the same time frame, both appear to be mud flooded. As in my previous video, I said they've done a good job on this one here. But you can still see we're up pretty high here. See how it goes up. Peek inside. Real quick. $1928. And that's not the University of Hawaii, that's Charlemagne Private religious college, I believe. I may be wrong in the pronunciation. Once again, the large valley on the other side of us over there. However, we do have a river gulch in between us. However, that hillside over there, but even then, is there a hill somewhere around here that's no longer here? Could be, huh? Where'd the mud flood come from in this direction is a question. You can see Diamond Head directly through the window in between those two buildings right there. Good question. The scout out there could have come all the way over to here. Billyjack over and out.